How to add black bars in the Filmora editing app. If you are wondering on how to add the black bars in the Filmora app, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit, just like this. Now to add the black bars, tap on the sticker option right here. Then tap on it, then tap on to the search bar right here. Then search for the black bars, just like this, and search for it. And now here you can find the black bars, just right here. Now to add it, simply tap on it. And now you can see the black bars has been added. Now simply edit it. You can add multiple of them, just like this. And now you can simply edit it. And that's it. This is how you can add the black bars in the Filmora editing app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.